Hey, my name is Tiffany, and I just wanted to give a shout out to Carol and Dave. I've known them for a long time, have been working with them in business for quite a while. I'll be honest, when I first saw a store called the Salt Table, I thought, how are you going to make money off of salt? But they have an incredible store that has so much more than salt, and they are fabulous, and so are their products. And so I just wanted to give a shout out. I am a mother, a business owner, a caregiver, and so I like quick and easy meals, but healthy and homemade, what I can call homemade, but I like quick and easy. So I like to use their all-around good blend. And the other day I took some frozen fish right out of the package, thawed it out real quick. All I did was sprinkle it with this on both sides, stick it in the frying pan, and had the best fish tacos ever. They were so good. My family loved them. It was so much better than just ground beef tacos or chicken tacos. But all I did was put this on it, on this fish, and had delicious, yummy, healthy fish tacos. The other thing I like about the Salt Table is we all have those family members that don't need anything, and they have everything. If they want something, they just go out and buy it. So when it comes to Christmas and birthday, we just don't know what to get them. Well, my go-to the last couple of years has been the Salt Table gift baskets. Go in and get some of their best products, get some of their Georgia grown products, fill a basket full. Everybody has to eat. Everybody cooks at home. So fill a basket full of the Salt Table products, have them ship it, voila. Great Christmas gift, great birthday gift. It's all good. And so I would just like to give a big shout out to Carol and Dave thank you for bringing this to Savannah, because it has been fabulous for my own kitchen and for my gift giving and making life easy. So thanks.